ng tatay ko. At sa mga nakanood na ng Kaleidoscope World FM Forevermore, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Sana nagustuhan ninyo yung bagong rebooted version ng Kaleidoscope World. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita, pwede nyo i-check sa YouTube yan. Search nyo lang Kaleidoscope World FM Forevermore. Kamusta po kayo? Nice pa? Okay, tutuloy ko na yung kanina. Mali yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng kanta ko eh. Dapat yung last song ko. Yung second song ko, ito na talaga. Dedicate ko sa mga babae. Let the sun shine, let the rain run, 'cause it's a beautiful day now to play now. As I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me. You don't feel lonely, would you be? Now I wanna play. I took a train out station, I almost lost my patience as I was waiting. Damn way delayed the train, and I'm waiting in vain to see your face. Is this the one I'm supposed to be afraid of? Is this the one I'm supposed to be ashamed of? How does a rock not soft like Play-Doh? Every time I hear the song playing on the radio. Oh! Let the wind blow, let the wind touch my face. I want to take a little break now, shake now. This is what I have to say. I feel so fine, so fine that it blows my mind. The tell the truth when with you, you're mine. And in my dreams, you are surreal, so deep. Inside my head, I giant scream like every sleep. While I sleep, I feel you every time I go to sleep. Wake up in the middle of the night, then I weep. You gotta be mine. That girl is so fine. Girl, be mine. Girl, be mine. I'll take you tomorrow, your time. And if my dreams are surreal or so insane, in my head, I scream and so you see, I feel you every time I all it takes is a little time to go sunshine, let the waves rain. As I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me. You don't feel lonely, would you be? Let the wind blow, let the wind touch my face. I wanna take a little break now, shake now. This is what I have to say. I feel so fine, so fine. Tell the truth when we're here. Let the sun shine, let the winds run away. 'Cause it's a beautiful day now to play now. As I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me. You know if you count on me, would you be? Would you be? Could you be? Would you be? Could you be? Would you be? Watch me! Yan! Ano? Anong message po sa mga girls dyan na wala pang boyfriend? Kailangan nyo itanong sa sarili nyo, bakit hindi kayo crush ng crush nyo? Tama ba naman?
Alam mo, first time mo ba sa Tadayawan? 2013? No, Tadayawan.
Actually, first time ko makasama dito sa festival.
Ibang
Tadayawan
experience,
Festival.
no?
Iba talaga. And talagang, iba yung pagkaka-warm ng mga tao pag festival. So thank you sa pinaramdam niyo sa akin. Kita nyo, special kayo kay Papi Elmo. Kayo ang first time niya. Yan.
Super Elmo, alam mo ba, kanina mo sila nag-aantay sa'yo. Hapon pa lang. They were here already, all waiting for you. At nung pinati mo sila yung Bisaya, talagang kinilig. Lahat, di ba? Ito naman sa ate.
Sabihin ko nga ulit,
Dapat turuan natin si Elmo pa rin mag-I
Oo,
love
diba?
you in Bisaya.
turuan niyo sa pag-I love you in Bisaya.
Hihi, good ma, kita. Yan, Elmo, ganun daw.
Hihitog ma kita. Yan. Hihitog ma kita. Yan. Oh, ba? Kali. Parang kanino yun?
Elmo, invite mo naman sila. I know you have a lot of, stuff going on. Go ahead.
Isipin mo,
Ang dami-daming nag-hack.
Yahoo OMG Performer of the Year to.
Right.
Yes, tama. Oh, sa mga taga-Davao na bumoto mo sa akin no, sa Yahoo OMG Awards. Maraming salamat. Nanalo po ako ng Best Male Performer 2013. So, para yun sa inyo. Thank you so much. And, yun nga, kanina sinabi ko yung mga nakapanood na ng Kaleidoscope World Forevermore Edition. Thank you so much sa nagustuhan ninyo. At, yun. Abangan nyo yung mga upcoming projects ko.
Ayan. Gusto mo ba durian?
Actually, nag-try ako kanina, pero kung meron pa dito,
Yun.
bigyan nyo ako.
Okay, ito
Ako,
gawin natin, Ramon.
bibigyan ka nila ng durian, courting heart.
Ayan.
Hahanap tayo nun. Kahit courting durian lang, mas malaki yung puso. Yo. So, okay ba? Mas
Okay. Super Elmo, pagpapahingay lang natin sa secret.
Oo.
Don't worry, kasi
Mamaya.
babalik pa siya. Diyan lang kayo, tama?
Ama.
Alright, so thank you so much. Wala ba na naman Elmo?
Thank you.
Mama,
Thank you.